Hello friends, I'm Anvesha and I welcome all of you to my channel Aspiring Banker Anvesha. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to discuss a very important topic and that is starters. I know most of you struggle in this topic and this topic is important for your IBPS or prelims examination and your PO mains and clerk mains examinations, okay? So before starting that, I would like to tell you something, and that is please download the Unacademy app if you haven't already. And if you're a first time user, that is you haven't ever downloaded the app or you haven't ever tried it out, please use the coupon code Annie to unlock all the free content. There are lots of free content like your free quiz and all, and special classes which are absolutely for free. So these content are free, okay? But if you're a first time user, you won't be able to access these content without any coupon code. So please use the coupon code Annie, 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 to unlock the free content. Also, on the 18th of every month, Unacademy launches a free test, mock test, okay? And this month, that is 18th of December, on 18th of December at 6 p.m, there will be a free mock test for SBI PO prelims examination. And I want all of you to attend that test, okay? It is a quality test. Believe me, the content is good, okay? It is a quality content, and also you will be able to experience, a real exam environment, okay? You will get your percentile, your rank, all India rank and all. And also there will be analysis of the test, which will also be for free, okay? So I have given the link in the description box. Click that link, go to the link and enroll yourself for the free test. If it is available for free, why won't you avail it? मतलब इस दुनिया में तो सब कुछ paid है. Everything is paid in this world, and when you are getting something for free and something good for free, why won't you avail it? You are purchasing mock test series for so much money, okay? So why don't you avail this one, which is absolutely for free? Also free quizzes are there in the app, so I want you to try it out once, okay? So okay, fine. So now let's start the video. Okay, this is the question. In the question, there are two statements which can be combined into a single statement in a number of different ways without changing the meaning. This part is very important, without changing their meaning, okay? Below them are given three probable starters for the combined sentence. Decide upon which is or are correct, if any, and answer the question, okay? So two statements are given. This is the first statement, okay? This is the first one, and from here begins the second one, okay? Here to here, fine. And now you have a few starters. Starters means what? Parts which are used to start a sentence. This means you have to keep these parts in the beginning, okay? You cannot keep them in the middle, you cannot keep them in the end, you have to keep them in the beginning, right? Okay, now the next thing is you have to join these two sentences. That is, the full stop shouldn't be there. Can you see a full stop here? The full stop shouldn't be there, okay, in the final sentence. The third thing is that the meaning should be intact. Meaning should not be changed. I will give you one more tip, that is, don't add unnecessary words, which means you cannot add words as per your whim, okay? This is the first thing. The second thing is, don't miss out or don't omit necessary information or necessary parts, okay? So in this way you have to solve the questions. Now you will find questions on starters in your PO mains examination, clerk mains examination, and SO prelims examination. SO prelims, PO mains, clerk mains. Rarely will you find questions on starters in your PO mains, the PO prelims, rarely. But in your PO mains you will definitely get, okay? Fine. So now let's see. The city-bitty is a multilateral treaty adopted by the UN General Assembly in 1996 that bans all nuclear explosions by everyone, everywhere on the Earth's surface, in the atmosphere, underwater and underground. This means that this CTBT, this is what? This is a multilateral treaty adopted by the UN General Assembly in 1996. And what does it do? It bans all nuclear explosions and by everyone, everywhere on the Earth's surface, in the atmosphere, underwater, underground. Fine. Okay, next. It makes it very difficult. It does this, and also it makes it very difficult for countries to develop nuclear bombs for the first time. So this CTBT, this treaty makes it difficult for countries to develop nuclear bombs, and also for countries that already have them to make more powerful bombs. So the countries that already have nuclear bombs cannot make more powerful bombs, okay, because of this treaty. Fine. Now what do we have? Developing nuclear bombs adopted by the CTBT has banned. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, CTBT has banned. CTBT, the CTBT is here, has banned. Bans is here. Now if you start with this, CTBT has banned all nuclear explosions by everyone, everywhere. What will happen? You will omit this part, a very important part. Wait, let me show you. You will omit this part. If you start the sentence with this part will get omitted. You cannot add this part anywhere. The CTBT has banned all nuclear explosions by everyone, everywhere. Then where will you add this one? You cannot add this one, this part. This means that C is incorrect. You cannot join the two sentences using C. If C is incorrect, option A is incorrect. This is incorrect. B is incorrect. D is incorrect. E is incorrect. You are left with only one option, that is option C. Only B. So only B is correct. Okay. In this way, you can solve the question without even checking the other sentences. Okay. And how did I do this? How did I do this? Now, this question might arise in your brain that because I know the answer, I could do it. No, that's not the case. See how you can intelligently eliminate the options. C is common in all the options except this. So if you check C and if you find C to be incorrect, you can eliminate all the options. So it is better to check C at first. Okay. In this way, you have to intelligently solve the questions. Okay. Fine. Now let's see. Developing nuclear bombs. Developing nuclear bombs, which means the sentence is starting from here. Developing nuclear bombs. Now, developing nuclear bombs for the first time, who is developing? Who is developing? The countries are developing. Okay. And this is becoming difficult. And who is making it difficult? CTBT. But you cannot add all these information if you start with this. Developing nuclear bombs for the first time. For the first time has been made difficult for countries. Okay. Then how will you add this part? How will you add this one, this part? So it is not possible. It is not possible to start the sentence with this one. Okay. So this is also incorrect. Now adopted by the. Adopted by the. So how will you start with this? Okay. You can start the sentence with this by this way. Adopted by the UN General Assembly. Adopted by the UN General Assembly in 1996, comma, the CTBT is, then you will say this, is a multilateral treaty. Is a multilateral treaty. Okay. After that, multilateral treaty that bans all nuclear explosions, I will not write so much. All nuclear explosions by everyone, everywhere on the Earth's surface, in the atmosphere, underwater and underground, which, now you have to omit full stop because you have to join the sentences, right? Which makes it very difficult. Then again, which makes it very difficult for countries to develop nuclear bombs for the first time or for countries that already have them. Okay, in this way, you can use B to join the two sentences. I hope this is clear. We will move to the next question now. Okay, next one. Reserve banks call for caution to people against the use of virtual currencies. Reserve banks call for caution to people against the use of virtual currencies. Call for means what? Demands. Caution to people. That is, Reserve Bank is making people or warning people against the use of virtual currencies. This Reserve Bank does not want people to use virtual currency. Okay, this is the meaning. A domestic Bitcoin exchange. Bitcoin does what? Bitcoin does what? It is related to virtual currency. Bitcoin is a virtual currency, right? A domestic Bitcoin exchange today said it is adding over 2,500 users a day and has reached 5 lakh downloads. Okay. Now see, Reserve Bank has warned people or is warning people against the use of virtual currencies. And here a domestic virtual currency exchange, Bitcoin exchange, virtual currency exchange said that it is adding over 2,500 users a day, which means what? Which means that Reserve Bank has warned people against the use of virtual currencies, but people are using. This means that these two sentences are contradicting sentences. There is contradiction between the two sentences. And what contradicting words do we have? Even though, though, although, right? Then in spite of, and then despite. These are the contradicting words we have. We have more. Nevertheless, however, these are also contradicting words, right? Fine. But is not a contradicting word. But is used when one sentence is a positive sentence and the next sentence is a negative sentence. We use but. Okay. Fine. Now let's see. Here we have in spite of. Here we have despite, and here we have since. Since is used for giving reason. Like as, because. Okay. So of course B is not your answer. If B is not your answer, you can easily eliminate option C, option D and option E. Okay, you're left with two options, A and B. So let's see. In spite of Reserve Banks call for caution to people against the use of virtual currencies, comma, a domestic Bitcoin exchange today said it is adding over 2,500 users. And next, despite the Reserve Banks call for caution to people. Okay, so both A and C, both these two are showing contradiction. So you can use both these two for joining the two sentences. So option A is your answer. Got it? Now we will move to the next question. DCCB so far out of the currency swap have implemented the core banking system. They have a long way to go when it comes to offering digital services such as internet or mobile banking. Okay. So DCCBs have implemented the core banking system. Okay. They have a long way to go. What is the meaning of they have a long way to go? Which this means that they have many more things to do. Many more things to do. Okay. Many more things to do. Which means that they have implemented the core banking system. Okay, they have implemented the core banking system. That's all right. But still, they have many more things to do. This is not enough. This is not enough. This means what? This means you have to use a contradictory word to join these two sentences, okay? Because here it has been said that they have implemented something, and here it is being said that they have a long way to go, that the thing that they have done is not sufficient. This means that these two sentences are in contradiction, okay? So considering that is wrong, as soon as wrong, although is right. This is a contradictory word. So although DCCB so far out of the currency swap have implemented the core banking system, comma, they have a long way to go when it comes to offering digital services such as internet or mobile banking. So only C, option B is the correct one. Okay, very easy question. Next. The government is likely to revisit the nearly 2-decade-old Narasimhan Committee's recommendation for a 3-tier banking system. the government is likely to take the consolidation approach while considering capitalizing of banks. Okay, so this means that there was a committee, Narasimhan committee, okay, and Narasimhan committee recommended for a 3-tier banking system, and the government is likely to revisit this recommendation, okay, which means to reconsider this recommendation. Okay, the government is likely to take the consolidation approach. Which consolidation approach? The approach suggested by Narasimhan committee. The government is likely to accept this recommendation, this approach, while considering capitalizing of banks. Okay, so this means that these two sentences are in line, in the same line. Okay, so although denotes contradiction, so of course you cannot use this. Whether is used when you need to choose between two, right? But here there is no choice. Okay, here we are not talking, the sentences are not talking about any choice, right? So this is also incorrect. Barely means what? Rarely. Barely means rarely. Barely did the government. This means what? Barely did the government means the government actually did not. Barely actually means rarely, but in this context, barely did the government means the government did not. Okay, but here the government is likely to revisit. So how can you join these two sentences? Let's see. The government is likely to revisit the nearly 2-decade-old Narasimhan Committee's recommendation for a 3-tier banking system. The government is likely to take the consolidation approach. So, you can see that this is actually an additional information. The sentence is going in the same pattern, in the same way. So, how can you connect? You can connect using in addition to. So, in addition to revisiting the nearly 2-decade-old Narasimhan Committee recommendation for a 3-tier banking system, the government is likely to take the consolidation approach while considering capitalizing of banks. So, in addition to revisiting this, the government is likely to do this. Okay, so government will also do this. Not only the government will do this, but it will also do this. Okay, next, it can also be connected using besides. Besides revisiting, and then in the same way. Okay, revisiting the nearly 2-decade-old Narasimhan Committee. Fine. Okay, so your answer is none of the above. Okay, you cannot join the sentence using any of these three. None of the above. Fine. Okay, now this is the last question, guys. I want you to pause the video here and try this question yourself. Okay, so I hope you have paused the video and tried the question yourself. Now let's solve the question here. The DOT autonomous field implement platform eliminates. The DOT autonomous field implement platform eliminates. Okay, this is the platform. Platform eliminates the need for the hefty drawing power of a 4-wheel drive tractor. The DOT autonomous field implement platform eliminates axles, wheels, hitches on most field implements by essentially turning them into self-propelled units. Okay. The meaning is that this platform, the DOT autonomous field implement platform, this platform does two things. Okay, this platform actually eliminates two things. The need for the hefty, this is the first thing, the need for the hefty drawing power of the 4-wheel drive tractor, and axles, wheels, hitches. That is axles, wheels, hitches. Okay, these two things. So can we say that it not only eliminates the hefty drawing power of a 4-wheel drive tractor, but it also eliminates axles, wheels and hitches, right? So we can start the sentence with not only does the and but it also. So not only does the, how can you start the sentence with this? So not only does the DOT, autonomous field implement platform, eliminates, after that this one, the need for the hefty drawing power of the four-wheeler tractor, but it also, after that, sorry, not here, okay, but it also eliminates axles, wheels and hitches. Okay, now along with and also, yes, along with means what? Along with, if I say along with my friends, my mother is also invited. Can we say this? This means what? Not only my friends, but my mother is also invited, right? So along with eliminating the need for the hefty drawing power of a four-wheel drive tractor, the DOT, here the DOT, autonomous field implement platform, also, now comes also, eliminates axles, wheels and hitches. So you can use this one as well. So B and C is the correct answer. Option D. So I hope you have enjoyed the session and you have learned something from this session. If you think that this session is good, this session is beneficial, then please like the video, share the video with your friends, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon for the upcoming videos. I'll see you again in my next class. Bye.